Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is an English vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today we will learn words from this category. Food, with words like bread and cheese.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the food words.
Great. I will listen carefully. Food. Bread. Bread. Rice. Rice. Egg. Egg. Cheese. Cheese. Soup. Soup. Salad. Salad. Chicken. Chicken. Fish. Fish. Meat. Meat. Pasta. Pasta. Sandwich. Sandwich. Potato. Potato. I know many food words now.
Now, we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary we learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Egg. Rice. Potato. Bread. What is this? Bread. What is this? Rice. What is this? Egg. Salad. Cheese. Soup. Fish. What is this? Cheese. What is this? Soup. What is this? Salad. Egg. Fish. Chicken. Meat. What is this? Chicken. What is this? Fish. What is this? meat, potato, meat, pasta, sandwich. What is this? Pasta. What is this? Sandwich. What is this? Potato.
How was the quiz, Nexo?
It was good. I liked it.
Great. Now let's hear the vocabulary in context.
Food. Bread. The bread is on the table. The bread is on the table. Rice. The rice is in a bowl. The rice is in a bowl. Egg. The egg is white. The egg is white. Cheese. The cheese is yellow. The cheese is yellow. Soup. The soup is hot. The soup is hot. Salad. The salad is green. The salad is green. Chicken. The chicken is on the plate. The chicken is on the plate. Fish. The fish is small. The fish is small. Meat. The meat is brown. The meat is brown. Pasta. The pasta is in the pot. The pasta is in the pot. Sandwich. The sandwich is big. The sandwich is big. Potato. The potato is on the plate. The potato is on the plate.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I am ready for quiz 2. The bread is on the table. A. The rice is in a bowl. C. The egg is white. C. The cheese is yellow. C. The soup is hot. C. The salad is green. B. The chicken is on the plate. B. The fish is small. A.
The meat is brown.
A.
The pasta is in the pot.
A.
The sandwich is big.
B.
The potato is on the plate.
A.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Please continue with the next lesson.
This class was clear and fun.
I am happy you learned new food words.